Namaste, I'm Dr. Seema Ahuja. I am the principal of Suraj School Sector 75. I strongly believe in Henry Ford's vision and the quote that coming together is beginning, keeping together is progress, and working together is success. I strongly believe in teamwork. Here, we at Suraj believe that each student has a tremendous talent and we are nurturing that talent in the school. We believe that we have to give them a platform which will nurture their talent and it will take out the best out of them. We also believe that in this era of new education, this is the fourth industrial era of the education, where people are talking about technology, the education advancement, and we have also inculcated the keeping in mind the value system of each and every child and all the teachers. We believe in national ethics and values. We believe that in this era we have to develop our children. Our vision is not only for few years, because as we say that if you have a vision for a year, then cultivate flowers, and if you have a vision for 10 years, then cultivate trees. But if you have a vision for infinite years, then cultivate people. This is what we at Suraj are doing it. And as the name says, Suraj, which means the motto of the school, Prakash Mai Kal Ke Liye. We strongly believe that from this education institution, we are giving the rays of Suraj to the country and building the country like it is going to be a strong nation. That's why we strongly believe that we have to give our children the conducive atmosphere. So if we talk about philosophy, we have divided our learning into 3 stages. So first stage is the stage of Ananda, which means joy, and it starts from classes nursery to class 5. It's learning through enjoying, completely a playway method. And then the next stage comes Jigyasa, which means inquiry, and it starts from classes 6 to 8, learning by doing. Children are discovering through experimentation. Then the third stage is sadhana, which is career, from classes 9 to 12. Children are practicing through perfection. We are making them perfect and also making them future ready.
Special about Suraj School. Most of the schools in Gurgaon are being run by businessmen, but this particular school is being run by educationists. So the core motto is to impart knowledge for Prakashmay Kal Ke Liye. Our teaching philosophy combines modern methods and ancient beliefs to give our students the best of both worlds.
Some students find very interesting and some students find it little difficult. My approach is that to become learning more easy. So I showed them while delivering my lesson plan, while I am teaching solar system in grade 3rd. So I showed them various video clips to the students, and I also showed them some slides also, so that their concept become easy.
Each individual is unique. Keeping this in mind, we have adopted our methodology. We maintain observation register for each and every child, and we focus on nurturing the unique potential of every child. We are committed to the holistic development of our students. Alongside the overall development, we understand that their safety and security is our #1 concern. Monitoring and dedicated supervision and high efficiency CCTV cameras, we are being able to maintain the safety goals.
We have selected our council members, our cabinet members. There are 43 students who are doing very well. They are performing their duties very well. Actually, they are the role models for other students. Now, our 43 students are taking care of our discipline.
We at Surat School have child-centered curriculum which is made for holistic development of our children.
Basically, when I talk about the school, it looks for productivity and qualitative education for the children.
One of the most important criteria which I see among the Surajans, that they love to know something, and they reinforce their learning by doing hands-on activities, especially.
Actually, economics is around us, everywhere. So the best thing to relate each and every topic with their life, with their lifestyle. If you are going to the market, there is economics. If you are coming to the school, there is economics. Economics is everywhere. So you can provide them assignments, you can provide them various project topics, you can provide them n number of study material to make their teaching, to make their learning or teaching more effective.
I have worked in 2 more schools earlier, but the strategies I learned here for my subject has boosted up my confidence to the next level. Whenever I go to the class for teaching a concept of physics, I consider my students as an empty paper on which I can write the different laws and facts about physics. I think that is a proper student-friendly method. By doing this, student of every IQ level can match up to me and can understand the concept.
Main objective is when I enter into the class, I make it sure that when my class is going on, and since all other subjects are also in English, but for my subject, at least the children, they converse in English with small sentences, small commands they begin with, like may I come in, may I go to the wherever they want. At least they should try. Whether it should not be like if it is wrong or right, but they should start trying. Once they become comfortable with small sentences, automatically it will come to reading and writing.
सोशल स्टडीज़ को हम अपने स्कूल में बहुत इंटरैक्टिव तरीके से पढ़ाते हैं, साथ में उनको करंट अफेयर्स के साथ कोरिलेट करते हैं, ताकि बच्चे की जो क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग है, जो एनालिसिस है, वो डेवलप हो। क्योंकि बुक्स में डेटा पुराने होते हैं।
हिंदी एक ऐसा विषय है जो विद्यार्थी अपने घर से ही सीख कर आता है और ये हम अध्यापक अध्यापिकाओं का दायित्व बनता है कि हम उससे सही करें और व्याकरणिक रूप से उसे किस प्रकार से बच्चे को सिखाना है, उसका व्याकरण कैसे सही करना है, भाषा का उच्चारण, भाषा का लिखित और मौखिक रूप कितना सही है और कितना सही करना है, ये दायित्व हम अध्यापक अध्यापिकाओं का ही बनता है।
Basically, my methodology is connecting them with the world outside, the things happening outside the world. So my focus mainly is mainly depend upon whether they are aware about the current scenario or whether they are aware about the democratic country in which they are living, whether they know about the functioning of the country.